Hi, did you forgot the password to your eWay-CRM? Don't worry, it's easy to generate a new one. I'm Eve, your virtual consultant, and today I'll show you how to reset your password. This tutorial is a comprehensive guide divided into 3 parts. First up, I'll walk you through the steps to reset your own password if you happen to forget it. In the second part, you'll discover how admins can effortlessly reset passwords for other users. Lastly, we'll explore how admins can ensure the required password strength when eWay-CRM users in the company set a new password. So let's get started. Whether you're logging into eWay-CRM through Outlook, the web, or your smartphone, the steps are the same. In the Login dialog, click on Forgot Your Password. In the New dialog, enter your username. Make sure to type it correctly, as a verification code will be sent to your email address. Now click Reset Password. You'll receive a verification code in your email, so jump into your inbox, copy the 6-figure code, and paste it into the dialog. If the code is inserted correctly, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Fill it in and click Change Password. Congratulations! You can now log in to your eWay-CRM account using your new password. It's that easy. What if one of your colleagues forgets their password? Let's take a look at how administrators can generate a new one in the Admin Center. If you are in eWay-CRM online, click this button and press Admin Center. If you are in eWay-CRM Desktop, click Administration Center on the eWay-CRM ribbon. When you're inside, go to Users in the left menu. My colleague Linda forgot her password, so I'll select her and click Reset Password. In the following dialog, you need to force the user to change their password at first login if you want to force the user to reset his or her password. I will leave this box checked because I want Linda to set her own password and confirm by clicking Reset. At this point, we're already looking at Linda's screen. Linda received an email with a temporary password, which she's going to need to log in. Since I left the checkbox marked, this dialog will pop up to Linda. She is required to change her password now. She will type her new password and confirm it. The new password should be strong enough, otherwise, she may be prompted to come up with another one. And she's done it. Linda has now successfully set a new password so she can log in and continue working with eWay-CRM. Last but not least, let's take a look at how admins can set the required strength of new passwords and other important security features. These settings can be found in the Admin Center under the Features button in the left menu. In the submenu, click on Security. So what do we have here? The first option sets the minimum length of the password to the user's account must be due to security. Users cannot use shorter passwords than 8 characters in this case. The maximum failed login attempts option sets how many times a user can write the password incorrectly before his or her account will be locked. The time for how long it will be locked is set in the field below. Quite straightforward, isn't it? Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.